Hi, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your Fold of the Week. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my good friends at Suttle-Straus in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This is a hybrid format, so it's a combination of two or more formats that combine to create one new format. This was designed and produced in-house by their team, so let's take a closer look. This piece mailed in an envelope, so there is no mailing panel on the back. They've got nice real estate there and some varnish effects. This was on an 80-pound gloss-coated cover. And this was printed on a Komori UV press. You can see there's a lot of color pop. As I mentioned, this is a hybrid format, so there are steps in the middle, but also the characteristics of a rectangular crossfold. So when you pull these steps out, you get this really nice reveal of all of these panels. This was designed to promote the different types of projects that they can produce on their wide format equipment. And I like that this piece is an oversized piece to promote wide format equipment. So conceptually, I think it really works as well. Just really bold, bright colors and imagery and a very organized way of using the stepped accordion with a great reveal of the crossfold. This was great as a self-promotional piece, but I also could totally see it in, higher ed, fundraising, even financial types of content. I love the more exciting reveal when you go in and then the stepped, organized content on the inside. So these were die, score, hand fold. They did about 750 of them. So very cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60 seconds. Super cool. Fold of the week, crossfold, stepped accordion, hybrid format. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, downloads, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.